Microscopes, a powerful tool that lets us see things far too small for the naked eye. From cells and microbes to the tiniest details of tissues, the microscope plays a key role in science, medicine, and education. So, what exactly is a microscope? A microscope is an optical instrument that magnifies small objects, allowing us to observe them in detail. It's commonly used in biology labs, hospitals, research centers, and classrooms. Microscopes help us study the structure and function of living things, especially those at the microscopic level. Now, let's understand the basic parts of a compound light microscope and what each part does. Eyepiece, ocular lens. This is the lens at the top of the microscope that you look through. It usually magnifies the image by 10 times. Some microscopes even have dual eyepieces. Objective lenses. Located on a rotating nosepiece, these lenses provide different levels of magnification, typically 4x scanning, 10x low power, 40x high power, and 100x oil immersion. The total magnification is calculated by multiplying the objective lens with the eyepiece lens. Stage. This is the flat platform where you place the glass slide that holds your specimen. It often has stage clips to keep the slide steady during viewing. Light source. Microscopes either have a built-in light or a mirror that reflects light. The light passes through the slide and helps illuminate the specimen for clearer viewing. Condenser and diaphragm. The condenser focuses the light on the specimen, while the diaphragm adjusts the intensity and size of the light beam. Together, they control contrast and clarity. Coarse adjustment. Knob. This large knob moves the stage up and down quickly to bring the specimen into rough focus. It's usually used with low-power objectives. Fine adjustment. Knob. Smaller and more precise. This knob is used to fine-tune the focus when using higher magnifications like 40x or 100x. Arm and base. The arm supports the microscope head and is used to carry the microscope safely. The base is the bottom part, providing stability to the whole structure. Nosepiece, turret. This is the rotating part that holds the objective lenses. You can switch between lenses by rotating the nosepiece. These parts work together to help us magnify, illuminate, and observe the smallest building blocks of life. Learning how to use a microscope is a fundamental skill in biology and opens up an invisible world filled with discovery. So next time you look into a microscope, remember, you're peeking into the world of the unseen.